Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up a Remitly account. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Remitly app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Once you have the app open, you will see various options on your screen. At the bottom, tap on the Create a New Profile button to get started. After tapping that button, you will be prompted to choose the countries you want to transfer money between. Select the countries that apply to you and then tap on Next. This step is important as it helps Remitly provide you with the best options for your money transfers. Next, you will need to enter your email address and create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Once you have filled in your email and password, tap on the Sign Up button. This will create your Remitly account and allow you to start using their services. So that's basically how you can set up a Remitly account. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.